Now watch him come around that corner, hauling ass. He didn't do it this time. They sure make you look crazy, don't they? When they know they're gonna be filmed or whatever. I think it's like 50-some degrees out here today. Had to pee a long time today, didn't he? And you coming right on in the house? Too cold out here, huh? He didn't even try to go and do nothing to you. Cold out there today, huh? You on your best behavior, huh? Guess you made me look crazy, didn't it? Guess he made me look crazy today, didn't he? Whew, I was not ready for this weather today. Yeah, Mr. Big Dog made me look crazy today. Went on out there and peed and came back. He ain't stand around. Now he's sitting there like, you ain't gonna have me showing my ass on the damn camera. And he know I'm talking. He know. Mr. Big Dog likes to get up on mommy couch. Like to get up on my couch, don't you? So you know I'm mad about that. Look at that. And y'all, some people think dogs ain't smart and don't understand what you're talking about. Okay.